How's everybody doing? Well, I waited until things settled down a little bit before I made another video because, as you probably know, all hell broke loose. Uh, there were people who got arrested for storming the nation's capital, and there will be more arrests. And remember how I said there's that slim chance that Trump had a path to the White House? Well, when those people stormed the White House, that all went away. They have no idea how bad they fucked over everybody. The Democratic left now has the power and all the ammunition they need to do things like impose martial law and to do a bunch of things that all because people stormed the White House. The Democratic left, in their infinite wisdom, with 13 days left in Trump's term, are moving for impeachment. Republican Ted Cruz said we need to unite. The response from the left, AOC more specifically, was no. AOC said the senators and congressmen people that supported Trump need to be expelled from their positions. They need to be removed from society, and they're even going so far as they want to form a committee to find all these Trump supporters and punish them, calling them terrorists. The Democrats are dividing the country and calling anyone that opposes them in any way names, traitors, all kinds of things. I'm going to try not to repeat them because I want to get this video to stay online. So their big claim was that Trump was a supremacist and that he was going to rule. He wanted to rule from throne, I guess. And they talked about how Trump was going to do all these things like the Nazis did. They were comparing Trump to the Nazis and what he did. And even though they said that Trump was doing all this stuff, when you look it up, you can't find it. So is what it is them just saying he's doing this stuff, and he's not really doing this stuff. But because people aren't looking it up, they believe that he's actually doing all this bad stuff. And all the while they're doing this, they're the ones doing it. The left is dividing the country, calling anyone that opposes them names and traitors, and saying what they're doing is treasonous and that they're terrorists. And all the while, they are the ones that are separating the country. They are the ones. Look at how they're acting, what they want to impose. Don't believe me. Don't even get mad at me, because I'm just telling you what I've found. Get online and look at what the Democrats are doing. Yes, Munch, I love you too, dude. But look. Jesus, do you want up, man? Come on. Oh! Lay down. Move the camera a little bit so you can see Munch. If you look up what they're doing, they are the ones that are acting exactly like he did during the Great World War #2. I'm trying not to get censored here, but I probably will be anyway. I'll probably get another shadow ban. Let's take a hit. After all, it is puppy pot and Jill. But if we go along, if somebody doesn't stand up and stop and say, what are you doing? Soon, we are going to have the same problems that they had over there. All right, this isn't, me making some grand claim. I'm saying you can look this up and see for yourself what the Democratic Party is doing. I just want everybody to be safe and be okay. But the way things are going, the oppression is real. People are really being evicted. People really are starving. People really are snapping because they have lost everything. Because the Democrats want to keep the lockdown going. They want the power. Well, we voted them all into office. They now have that power. I hope that things go well and they don't fuck us. But if we keep going on the same path that they've been going on, yeah, we're going to be fucked. We'll have to see how this all falls out. I don't have a magic ball. I can't tell you for sure what's going to happen. Because I don't know. I can guess. Yeah, dude, I know. I can guess just like everybody else and say, this is what's going to happen. I don't know. What I do know is that shit's getting bad. And going on what I've seen, what I've read, what I've looked up, what I've dug for, these people that have power want more power, and they're going to use force to get what they want. Even though if we use force, we're called criminals. They're going to use their police force and every other thing to get what they want. So we might be completely fucked. We'll have to just see how it falls out, because I don't know. But Trump has admitted defeat, and Biden will be the next president. So we'll just have to see how this all pans out. If you listen to anybody that says, I know for a fact this is what's going to happen, and I know this is how, they don't know. They're guessing. Four people died. For what? These people stormed the White House with no plan. They weren't wearing masks. They don't have a fund set up for them like the left does. Think about that. The Democratic left, all those groups have set up fundraising outlets for the people who get arrested. They can bail out. Yeah. The right doesn't. We don't have that. What are you doing, dude? We don't have that. Because we weren't planning on storming the White House. I'm pretty sure that was just a one-off, just at the last second, We'll see. We will see. I don't know, man. Before I post this, I'm going to go on one of my other groups and talk to them. And we'll go from there. But always remember, you got to be 21 in a state where it's legal to smoke marijuana. If you're not, just don't do it. We can be smart stoners. We can be smart stoners. We can do it. And don't listen to me. Absolutely don't listen to me. I'm a stoner. Munch, quit. Don't listen to mainstream media, and absolutely, for the love of Christ, stop listening to anything that comes across Facebook or Twitter or any other social media. It's all fucking stupid, incorrect, lies. I mean, the bias is palpable. It's ridiculous. If you want to know something, look it up for yourself. You find the truth out for yourself. That's all that matters. Alright, I'm going to keep this short. I'll do this again later. I hope you're smoking with me and getting high with me. If not, I'm okay with that. I really am. I'll smoke for you. Yeah, things are just going butt fuck crazy. We'll see how this all falls out at the end. But for now, just buckle up, fuckers. It's going to be one hell of a ride. Peace. Oh. And stay high, bitches.